In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a photo from Facebook. So what you want to do is you want to open up Facebook and you want to go to your menu at the bottom right and then click on your profile at the top left. Then find the picture you want to delete, click on the three dots and then you can remove tag, hide from profile. That's because I haven't actually posted this. But if I find something I have posted, for example, this person sent this to me, I can click on it, three dots, and click on delete and delete post, and that post will be permanently removed from Facebook. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.